In the heart of Graz, Austria, a legend is born, forged by human hands and unwavering dedication. Since 1979, the iconic Mercedes G-Class has been meticulously hand-built here, defying trends and expectations to become a global symbol of capability and timeless design. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a testament to the pursuit of an ideal, where every curve and component speaks of a resolve to achieve the extraordinary. It's a vision brought to life, inspiring us to believe that with enduring commitment, anything is possible, pushing the boundaries of what a luxury off-roader can truly be. The journey begins with its very backbone, a heavy-duty, military-grade steel ladder frame. This isn't merely a chassis, it's the unyielding core, designed with an uncompromising vision to survive, and indeed thrive, in the most brutal environments on Earth. Engineers craft each frame to endure incredible stresses, reflecting a belief that true strength lies in preparation for the unexpected. This robust foundation empowers drivers to venture beyond the familiar, to push their own limits, knowing their vehicle's integrity mirrors their own desire to overcome any challenge, making every expedition a testament to resilience. From the rugged embrace of the chassis, we transition into the sterile, almost surgical precision of the AMG laboratory. Here, the raw power that will define the G-Class experience takes shape. It's a realm where meticulous cleanliness meets relentless power, a paradox that perfectly encapsulates the G-Class itself, refined yet untamed. This controlled environment fosters concentration, allowing master technicians to focus entirely on the intricate dance of engineering, ensuring every component contributes to a symphony of performance. It's a space where human ingenuity and advanced technology coalesce, striving for perfection. In this hallowed space, a single master technician takes full, personal responsibility for hand-assembling the massive 577 horsepower V8 engine. This one-man, one-engine philosophy isn't just a tradition, it's a profound declaration of trust and accountability. Each technician pours their expertise, their focus, and their pride into every stage, imbuing the engine with a unique spirit. This singular dedication elevates the process from mere assembly to a true craft, demonstrating that when an individual commits fully to a task, the resulting quality transcends all expectations, setting new benchmarks for possibility. The intricate dance begins with the very first piston, carefully placed into its cylinder, a small but critical step in a monumental task. From precision-machined connecting rods to the perfectly balanced crankshaft, every component is meticulously positioned, checked, and torqued with unwavering attention. It's a testament to the belief that every detail matters, that greatness is built from the sum of flawless parts. This dedication ensures not just an engine, but a heart ready to beat with incredible power, promising drivers a machine born from profound care and the potential for unparalleled performance on any road or trail. The culmination of this focused labor is a massive 577 horsepower V8 engine, a marvel of modern engineering capable of unleashing breathtaking power. This isn't just a number, it represents an untamed spirit, ready to propel the G-Class through any challenge, over any obstacle. It speaks to a future where limitations are merely suggestions, where the sheer force beneath the hood empowers drivers to explore, to achieve, and to feel truly alive behind the wheel. This incredible power transforms every drive into an exhilarating experience, promising adventures previously considered unattainable, redefining capability and inspiring confidence. The final, deeply personal touch for each engine is the technician's signature on the engine plaque. This isn't just an engraving, it's a commitment, a promise of uncompromising quality and craftsmanship. It symbolizes the personal pride and responsibility invested in every component, ensuring that the engine is not merely assembled but truly crafted. This signature connects the individual's dedication directly to the vehicle's heart, a tangible reminder that behind immense power lies human ingenuity and accountability. It's a testament to what is possible when passion meets precision, inspiring confidence in the road ahead. The production line reaches its dramatic climax in an orchestration of engineering precision, the chassis marriage. This is the pivotal moment when the hand-built V8 powertrain, a masterpiece of individual craftsmanship, is introduced to the rugged, resilient ladder frame. It's a complex ballet of machinery and human oversight, ensuring perfect alignment and absolute security. This union represents more than just joining parts, it's the moment too powerful, distinct entities merge to form an even greater whole. It signifies a transformative step, where raw potential solidifies into a unified force, ready to take on the world. With breathtaking precision, the hand-built V8 powertrain is flawlessly united with the rugged chassis frame. This isn't a forceful connection, but a seamless integration, a testament to superior engineering and meticulous planning. Every bolt, every connection point, aligns perfectly, creating a single, harmonious structure. This flawless union is crucial, ensuring that the G-Class will perform as a cohesive unit, capable of translating raw power into controlled motion, regardless of terrain. It demonstrates that when diverse strengths are brought together with absolute harmony, the resulting entity is exponentially more capable, inviting us to imagine our own perfect synergies. This is where high-performance AMG power is irrevocably locked into a legendary off-road backbone. The synthesis of brute strength and refined capability creates an unstoppable force, a vehicle that redefines boundaries. This powerful fusion means the G-Class is not just equipped for adventure, it's destined for it, embodying a spirit of relentless progression. It stands as a beacon of what's possible when two distinct realms of engineering, luxury performance and military-grade resilience are deliberately brought together. This blend inspires us to combine our own strengths, forging a path forward with unyielding determination and powerful purpose. The integration of these core elements signifies more than just completing an assembly step, it represents the birth of a promise. It's a commitment to an unparalleled driving experience, a future where every journey is an exploration of potential. This unified structure is now ready to receive its skin, its voice, and its luxurious command center. The foundation is set for the G-Class to fully realize its destiny as a vehicle that not only takes you places but empowers you to discover new horizons within yourself, a testament to enduring quality and the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection, beckoning adventure. Next, the vehicle enters the automated paint chamber, a symphony of light and precise movement. Here, multi-axis robots begin their intricate dance, meticulously preparing and coating the body in a deep, lustrous finish. This stage is where raw metal transforms into a work of art, protected and perfected by advanced technology. It's a testament to modern automation's ability to achieve flawless consistency, ensuring every G-Class receives a coat that not only looks spectacular but also provides durable protection for years to come. This blend of art and science reminds us that perfection is attainable through innovative processes. The chosen hue for this journey is obsidian black metallic, a color that embodies both strength and sophisticated elegance. As the robots wrap the body, this deep, rich coat catches the light, revealing subtle metallic flecks that dance across its surface. It's more than just a color, it's a statement, reflecting the G-Class's dual nature, rugged capability cloaked in luxurious refinement. This striking finish elevates the vehicle's presence, promising an aesthetic that is both timeless and commanding, capable of making a profound visual impact, setting a standard for bold, understated luxury and inspiring awe. After the application, the newly coated body enters a specialized curing oven, where it is subjected to intense heat. This critical stage isn't just about drying, it's about forging, bonding the paint layers to the metal at a molecular level, creating a resilient, flawless liquid glass finish. The heat transforms the raw pigment into a hardened shell, giving the obsidian black its remarkable depth and durability. This process ensures the G-Class exterior is not only visually stunning but also incredibly robust, capable of withstanding the elements, a perfect reflection of its inherent strength and enduring quality. The result is a surface that gleams with the brilliance of liquid glass, a testament to the uncompromising standards of Mercedes-Benz. This isn't just a shiny coat, it's a protective sheath, capable of withstanding the rigors of any environment while maintaining its stunning aesthetic. The flawless finish reflects not just light, but also the dedication poured into every stage of its creation. It stands as a visual promise of quality, a statement that true luxury is found in both the seen and unseen details, inviting us to appreciate the beauty born from precision and the enduring power of design. Emerging from the paint chamber, the G-Class enters the final assembly hall, where the interior begins to take shape, transforming the rugged shell into a luxurious command center. This stage involves an intricate blend of robotic precision and skilled human touch, as technicians meticulously install the premium elements that define its comfort and functionality. Every component is placed with a clear vision to create an environment that is both opulent and supremely capable. It's about designing a space where drivers feel empowered, where every journey, no matter how challenging, unfolds in ultimate comfort and control, inspiring confidence. Inside, technicians install the premium Alcantara interior, enveloping occupants in a tactile experience of luxury comfort. This sophisticated material is chosen not only for its elegant appearance but also for its exceptional durability and soft touch, reflecting a commitment to both aesthetic pleasure and practical resilience. The intricate stitching and perfect fit of each panel speak volumes about the attention to detail, transforming the cabin into a sanctuary. It demonstrates that true luxury isn't just about appearance, but about the immersive experience, enabling drivers to feel both indulged and fully prepared for anything. Complementing the tactile luxury is the cutting-edge digital dashboard, a gateway to intuitive control and advanced connectivity. This modern interface seamlessly blends into the G-Class's heritage-rich environment, providing drivers with vital information and entertainment at their fingertips. It's a harmonious marriage of past and future, proving that innovation can enhance tradition without diluting its essence. This sophisticated command center empowers drivers to navigate, connect, and control their journey with effortless ease, constantly expanding their potential for exploration and ensuring they are always ahead, ready for the next adventure. And then, there's the iconic G-Class center grab handle, a symbol that blends luxury comfort with its tactical military heritage. More than just an aesthetic feature, it's a functional link to its adventurous past, a sturdy anchor for when the terrain gets truly challenging. This grab handle reminds drivers of the G-Class's unwavering capability, a subtle nod to its origins while offering tangible security. It embodies the vehicle's enduring spirit, empowering occupants with a sense of security and adventure, reminding them that they are always supported, always ready, always capable of conquering the unknown. Finally, the moment arrives, every fluid is pressurized, the electrical grid powers up, and the signature side exit exhausts roar with absolute fury on the factory dyno rollers. This isn't just a test, it's an awakening, a final, thunderous confirmation that this off-road titan is primed for anything. The powerful sound signifies its readiness, clearing this magnificent machine for delivery, for its destined life of adventure and conquest. It's a sound that inspires, echoing the immense potential held within, a promise that the G-Class is ready to tackle the world, empowering its owner to achieve their greatest aspirations.